Hi student, in last video we have studied the kinetic theory of gases. Today we discuss about the other part of chapter, that is the radiation. You know that student, heat is a form of energy that transfer between system and surrounding by virtue of its temperature difference. Heat can be transferred by three modes. First is conduction, second is convection, and third is radiation. In conduction process, for transfer the heat, it requires the material medium, and in conduction process, the heat transfer particle to particle without actual migration of particle. And the best example of a conduction process, it is when the metal rod is held on the gas burner, it will be warm. Conduction process, it is the slowest process for the heat transformation. It is commonly used in solid. As same as that of the conduction process, the convection process is also required the material medium for the transformation of heat. The convection process occurs in liquid and gases. It is the rapid transformation process for the heat. Out of these three processes, the two processes require the material medium, but the third process, radiation, does not require the material medium. That means the radiation is the process in which the heat transfer from one place to other place without any material medium. That is, heat can be passed through the vacuum by the help of radiation. Means heat transfer by radiation in material medium as well as vacuum. And in a radiation process, the transformation of heat in the form of electromagnetic waves, which speed is equal to speed of light, that is 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. The best example of radiation in our everyday experience, that is the light come from the sun to us. Other example, when we stand in front of the big fire, after sometimes we feel the warmth. This is due to the radiation mode. Okay. Then when the energy, radiant energy incident on surface of any body, then it partially absorbed, partially reflected, and partially transmitted. So, the ability of absorption, reflection, and transmission explained by coefficient of absorption, coefficient of reflection, and coefficient of transmission. Coefficient of absorption is also called as the absorptive power or absorptive power, or sometimes it is called as the absorptivity. It is defined as it is a ratio of amount of heat absorbed by the body to the total amount of heat incident upon it. Coefficient of absorption is denoted by small a. If Q is the total amount of heat incident on the body and QA is the amount of heat absorbed. So, according to definition of the coefficient of absorption, small a equal to QA by Q. The above ratio is two similar quantities. So, it is a unitless and dimensionless quantity. It is a poor ratio. Second is coefficient of reflection. Or it is also called as the reflectance. It is the similar definition as that of the coefficient of absorption. It is a ratio of amount of heat reflected, amount of heat it is the ratio of amount of heat reflected to the total amount of heat incident upon it. It is denoted by small r. Therefore, if Q is the total amount of heat incident, QR is the amount of heat absorbed, reflected amount of heat reflected. According to definition, coefficient of reflectance small r equal to QR by Q. It is also the poor ratio. Then the third is coefficient of transmission. It is also called as coefficient of transmission or transmittance. Coefficient of transmission or transmittance. It is denoted by small tr. It is a similar definition. It is a ratio of amount of heat transmitted by the body to the total amount of heat incident on it. If Q is the total amount of heat incident and Qt is the amount of heat transmitted. So, according to definition, TR is equal to Qt by Q. It is also the Poor ratio. The value of coefficient of absorption, coefficient of reflection, coefficient of transmission depends upon the wavelength of incident radiation and nature of the material medium. So, according to conservation principle of energy, the total amount of heat divided into three parts. If Q is the total amount of heat, then it is divided into three parts. First is some amount of heat absorbed, some amount of heat reflected, and remaining amount of heat transmitted. That is Q equal to QA plus QR plus QT. This is our first equation. Dividing equation 1 both sides by Q, we get Q by Q. That is equal to QA by Q plus QR by Q plus QT by Q. But QA by Q, it is small a, coefficient of absorption. QR by Q, it is the coefficient of reflection, and QT by Q, it is the coefficient of transmission. Therefore, we write A plus R plus T suffix R, that is equal to 1. This is the relation between three coefficients, that is coefficient of absorption, coefficient of reflection, and coefficient of transmission. For perfect transmitter, TR equal to 1, A equal to 0, R equal to 0. That means for a perfect transmitter, the whole amount of energy incident on the body is totally transmitted, and for perfect transmitter, TR is not equal to 0. So, we define the other type of substance, that is the diathermal substance, and it is defined as diathermous substance. It is defined as those substances which allow the heat radiation. Diathermal substance, those substances which allow the heat radiation means in that substance the heat can pass through it. For example, glass, quartz crystals, oxygen, hydrogen, dry air. In other type of substance, that is the athermal substance, it is the opposite of the diathermal substance. In this substance, the value of Tr is equal to 0. That means those substances which do not allow the heat radiation, which do not allow the heat radiation. For example, athermal substance, it is a water, copper, iron, wood, etc. Similarly, for perfect absorber, A equal to 1, R equal to 0, Tr equal to 0. That means when the radiant energy incident upon the body, then the body totally absorb the heat, that is radiant energy, and such a type of body are called as perfectly black body. We will discuss in our next video. So similarly, for perfect reflector, R equal to 1, A equal to 0, Tr equal to 0. So good reflector is the poor absorber and poor transmitter. Thank you so much, student.